Josh, you are next, man. 2012 Prime Cuts. Here we go. Number 4. Right there. Can't remember if we had to pull the cut out of this, but I think we did. It was a master case. We're on the last 5. I believe we pulled it. Box number 17. Here we go. Oh. And it is jersey piece. Ted Williams jersey. Or pants. Or sock. Or something. Ted Williams game worn memorabilia. That one is numbered 1099. And Nick Hagedorn. Autograph. Rated rookie. That one's numbered 10 of 149. Quick and easy. There you have it. Josh, get on the way.